Open floor plans have become a hallmark of modern home design, creating a seamless flow between different living areas and enhancing the feeling of openness and connection throughout the home. We start by defining what an open floor plan is. In simple terms, an open floor plan refers to a design where the walls separating common areas, like the living room, dining room, and kitchen, are minimized or completely removed. This creates a large, cohesive space that feels expansive and inviting. In modern home design, this layout is widely appreciated for its versatility and ability to maximize natural light and space. First, we'll explore the key benefits of an open floor plan. One of the most significant advantages is the enhanced sense of space. By removing walls, the rooms flow into each other naturally, which makes the home feel larger and more connected. This layout is particularly beneficial for smaller homes, as it helps create an illusion of more square footage. Open spaces also improve the flow of air and light, making rooms feel brighter and more airy. We'll show you how strategic furniture placement and smart design elements can create different functional zones within the same open area, so each space still serves its purpose. Next, we'll dive into the design elements that make modern open floor plans so desirable. One of the defining features of these plans is the focus on natural light. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and skylights are often incorporated to bring in as much sunlight as possible, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere. We'll show how this natural light interacts with the minimalist design often found in open floor homes, where neutral colors and clean lines create a sense of calm and clarity. We'll also cover the integration of the kitchen in modern open floor plans. In many traditional homes, the kitchen is a separate space, but in modern designs, it often serves as the heart of the home, seamlessly connecting with the living and dining areas. We'll showcase how modern kitchens are designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. From sleek, contemporary cabinetry to open shelving and spacious islands, these kitchens are designed to be both beautiful and efficient. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet meal with family, the open layout makes it easy to socialize and move between spaces. Another crucial aspect of modern open floor house plans is the use of multifunctional furniture and design strategies. Because open spaces need to serve multiple functions, it's important to use furniture that can adapt to different needs. For example, modular sofas, foldable dining tables, and multi-purpose storage units allow homeowners to maximize their space. We'll show you how these pieces contribute to a flexible and practical environment while maintaining a clean, streamlined look. While open floor plans offer great flexibility, they also require careful consideration of acoustics and privacy. In this segment, we'll explain how modern designs address these challenges. For example, soundproofing materials can be used in walls or floors to minimize noise between different zones of the home. We'll also discuss how subtle design elements, such as half walls, partitions, or curtains, can be introduced to create boundaries without compromising the open, airy feel of the space. These solutions ensure that privacy is maintained, even in an open concept home. In addition to functionality, the aesthetic appeal of modern open floor plans is key. These homes often feature a seamless flow between interior and exterior spaces, creating a harmonious transition between the indoors and the outdoors. We'll show you how large sliding doors or bifold windows can open the living area to a patio, garden, or balcony, making the space feel larger and more connected to nature. Finally, we'll explore some of the popular layouts and configurations for modern open floor plans. From split-level homes that use subtle changes in elevation to define different areas, to expansive, single-level layouts with wide, open spaces, We'll showcase various designs that cater to different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you prefer a cozy, intimate space or an expansive living area perfect for entertaining, there's a modern open floor plan that fits your needs. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the benefits, design elements, and considerations of modern open floor house plans. From maximizing natural light and space to enhancing social interactions and functionality, these layouts offer a practical, stylish way to live. Whether you're building